Jasmine waits semi-not patiently for a feed. You hungry? You really hungry? Are you? Go to your meal. Come on, Jasmine. Do you have to go through the puddle? Oh no, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Going to have to go through it somehow. What are you going to do? Oh no, it's a puddle. Going to have to go through it to get your food. Do you want to say hello to the camera? Say hello. Hello. You got green stuff on your face.